Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Razr 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Okay, firstly remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to take the brush or the other tool in your hand and insert the brush and just try to pry it out. So gently pry the dirt out from your device, and as you can see, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.